Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it is Revolution, and this is their You Are the Revolution advent calendar. There's 25 products inside. It has a value of £87 and all the products are new and exclusive, which is exciting, and to purchase it will cost you £40. If you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, then I'll pop a link down in my description, so underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. It is gorgeous. It is really compact. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It is gorgeous. It is really compact. I'm not going to close it because they'll all fall out again. It's just a really nice, cute little calendar full of products. Okay, so day number one then. Whoop. Let's get comfortable. Day number one. I'm really nervous about this. Up the top, got a red lipstick. This is in shade Slow. No information on the back, but it's a red lipstick. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous colour. What are you? Oh, look. Oh, that is beautiful. A really vibrant red. Look at that. That is stunning. I love that. Day number one. Day number two. Down here, you've got a liquid eyeshadow in shade Mercury. My word, look at that. Look at it against the lipstick there. That would be really, really nice with a eyeliner brush, a liquid eyeliner brush. So a very, very thin, fine brush to do some graphic liner, or what I tend to do just to brighten up a look. You might have seen me wearing it in some videos. I'll do like a black winged eyeliner and then I'll go over the top with a colour. I love yellow. So you might have seen me wearing yellow on top of my eyeliner, but yeah, a silver, that would look really cool as well. Day number three, upside down. Oh, we've got a lip gloss. And this is a strobing lip gloss, so let's apply a bit on top of the lipstick here on my hand. Oh yeah, I can see that it's all glittery. It is quite subtle. Yeah, very subtle. That's pretty. Day number four, and I can't find it. Don't know where it is. I'd love to know what your favourite advent calendar that you've watched or that you've bought is so far. We've got a gorgeous highlighter in the shade Condition. Can you see there? Let's give it a try. That is some highlighter. I'd have to apply that with a steady hand, I think. So that's day number four. Number five, up the top. It's a brow gel. I'm assuming it's clear. Yeah. A clear brow gel there. If you've tried any of these products, I know they say they're new and exclusive, but say for instance if you've tried a Revolution brow gel before, please let me know what you think of it, or if you've tried anything similar that you've seen in this video. Doesn't matter, ignore all that because they're all new and exclusive, so doesn't matter. Number six, I think it's this one down here. Oh, we've got a beauty blending sponge. A little black egg there. Number seven, up here. I think this is my first ever Revolution advent calendar that I've ever unboxed on my YouTube channel. My first one. Ooh, we've got a lip liner in shade. Why don't they tell me the shades? No, it doesn't give me the shade. It just says lip liner. But it should go with this. Let's try it there. Yeah. Beautiful. I like the fact that they will go together. So we've got a lip liner. Number eight over here. Ooh. And we've got an eyeshadow quad. I love those colours. Yeah, grey, black, copper, brown, and this is Honey Honey. There. Let's get this out and show you. Very similar to the shades that I'm wearing on my eyes. These are all Physicians Formula. I've been doing a video testing makeup. So yeah, very similar shades there. They're really pretty, aren't they? There, you can see the colours there. Ooh, am I making a mess? Look at my fingers. Wow. So yeah, you've got the silver, black, brown and gold there. Yeah, it's nice. Give that a go. I think we're on number 9. Yeah. Here, we've got a brow crayon. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. It's to keep your brows in place. Yeah, because it's clear, it's nothing there. Have any of you used an eyebrow crayon that is completely clear like that? Number 10. Oh, this is the first item to be wrapped up. What is it? It's a brush. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Yeah, look. This is the type of brush I was talking about. You could use with the silver, eyeshadow. That is dried down completely. So you can make some really nice sort of graphic looks. Or it could be used on your eyebrows or eyeshadow, etc. Yeah, handy brush. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11 is day number 11. We've got another eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? Lipstick, not eyeshadow. Right, what colour are you? This is in shade Baby. So this is more of a pinky tone. A rose. Yeah, that's really nice. There. It's really nice, isn't it? Yeah, I like that. Day number 12. Looks like we've got another brush. This is a little bit unusual though, in that it's very long. So not really for eyes unless you just sweep in a colour like that. But I would probably use that more, maybe, I don't know actually, like a highlighter or a spot concealer brush. That is an odd shape. It's only because it's quite long. You see? You use brushes however you like. There's no set rules. So there's that. Day number 13. Wow, look at this colour. This is another lip gloss. But this is a tinted lip gloss this time. Can you see there? This hand and arm are filling up nicely. So yes, it's a tinted lip gloss there. Day number 14. And we have got a black eyeliner. Why is this new and exclusive? Unless it's a different colour. No, it's not new and exclusive. What is new about it? It's a nice black coral pencil there, but nothing new. Day number 15. Another eye brush. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Smaller, rounded, but flat. Can you see? Yeah, I do really like that. Day number 16. And we have got an eye primer. An eye primer. There, can you see there? I just blended it in. It is skin tone, so you're not going to see much. But yeah, I do really like that. That's blended in seamlessly. I can't wait to give that a go. Day number 17. That's gone really quick. I wasn't expecting that. The last one is 16, obviously. And we have got, oh, I like that. Look, a mirror. She's got a little mirror. There, you can see my camera. That is really pretty. Yeah, I love that. Day number 18. And we've got a dark brown eyebrow pencil. I'm assuming it's dark brown. I've just seen the end there. But an eyebrow pencil. See that? So again, nothing new and exclusive. But then it might be. I can't imagine a black eyeliner. I mean, every brand has got their own type of black eyeliner, haven't they? Maybe, I don't know, maybe this is something new for Revolution. Number 19. Not many left now. We've got another liquid eyeshadow. But this is more in a bronze colour. Oh yeah. See the colour? That's nice, isn't it? So there's not many. 22. No, not 22. 20. 20. Wow, we've got a blusher in Flirt. I love the packaging of the highlighter and this blush. It's really pretty. So yeah, I'm just going to apply it to my wrist down there. What the heck? Oh, is that black? From the black eyeshadow there. Yeah, that's nice. You can get more of a subtle colour by putting less on, obviously. Oh no! Instead of opening day number 12, I opened day number 21. So my day number 21 is now day number 12. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. And we've got a lip gloss in shade Slow. Yeah, definitely more pigmented than the other lip gloss that we had, which is down there. This one is up here. Yeah, that's pretty. It is 12, but we'll say 21. Day number 22. And we've got another one. Yeah, this is another lip gloss. And this is in shade Covert. I'm running out of places. Oh, this is brilliant. This is lovely. This is definitely a shade I'd wear. See there? It's pretty. Yeah, love that. More of a coral shade. Day number 23. And we've got a contour powder in shade Shape. I've just made a big mess with my hand there. That's a little too warm for a contour powder for me, but as a bronzer, that would be quite nice. Number 24. We've got another brush. Ooh, look. That is so nice. That is so nice. Yeah, could be used for blush. Yeah, really, really nice blush, highlight, a bit of contouring. Yeah, that's a gorgeous brush. Happy with that. And then the last item in the advent calendar, day number 25. Love the fact that it's got day 25 because a lot of advent calendars just have them up to 24, don't they? Whoa, look at the shades in that. An eyeshadow palette. This is Reloaded. You're a Winner. Some really cool sunset shades there. Yeah, lovely. Okay, dying to try that metallic yellow. Oh my word. Oh my word. They are definitely more pigmented than the quad that we had that were down there. Look, they stand out a lot. Right. Oh my god. Oh my, see, I should do it there. I should do it there. Right, can you see the squish in my arm? Those are the colours there. There. They're really pretty, aren't they? That is stunning. That's the favourite in this palette for me, definitely. A nice, pretty, colourful swatched hand and arm there. So those are all the items inside this year's Revolution. Well, to be honest, they've got quite a few advent calendars out this year. So what makes this one different? You Are the Revolution. Exclusive 25-day advent calendar of your favourite Revolution beauty products. So maybe not new then. It says on the website, new and exclusive. I love Makeup Revolution. I love Revolution Pro. Yeah, really great. But the other advent calendars that I've seen already didn't really appeal to me. Not even the, what, £130 one didn't really appeal to me. But I saw this one and I thought, oh, they've got some lovely things there. Some really lovely things. And I think they're all full size as well, which is brilliant, which is what you want in an advent calendar, don't you? Especially a branded advent calendar, to have everything full size and affordable cost as well. So the cost of the advent calendar is £40 and they say it's worth £87. Yeah, I do really like it. And I know my daughter's going to like a few of the items in there as well. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you bought it for yourself? Or have you bought it for a friend, daughter, mother, whatever? Or are you watching this thinking, I don't know if it is for me or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.